Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a pull golf shot. A pull shot is when your golf ball flies directly left of your target for a right-handed golfer, often frustrating your game. This usually happens due to an outside-in swing path combined with a closed club face at impact. We will go through simple, actionable steps to diagnose and correct this common issue, helping you hit straighter shots consistently. Let's get started on improving your golf game today. Your setup is crucial for preventing a pull shot. First, ensure your alignment is square to the target, not aimed left. Next, try moving the ball position slightly forward in your stance, perhaps 1/2 to 1 inch. This encourages a more inside-out swing path. Also, check your grip. A neutral grip helps keep the club face square. These small adjustments can make a significant difference in your ball flight, setting you up for success. The swing path is often the main culprit for a pull. Aim to swing the club on a more inside-out path, rather than coming over the top. This means your club head should approach the ball from slightly behind you. Simultaneously, ensure your club face is square or even slightly open at impact to prevent the ball from starting left. Focus on rotating your body through the shot, letting your hips lead the downswing for better control and power. To solidify these changes, consistent practice is key. Try the gate drill by placing 2 head covers just outside and inside your club head to encourage an inside-out path. Use alignment sticks to verify your aim and ball position before each shot. Recording your swing can also provide valuable visual feedback, helping you spot and correct any lingering outside-in movements. With dedicated practice, you will soon be hitting straighter, more consistent golf shots.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.